Lifting the weights, it does give you extra stamina.
Working muscles we haven't worked for years.
Not only this, I'm more active outside, and yeah, I think I'm better for it.
So we're at SSC weightlifting club in Mhont-y-pŵl, and we've established a men's, we call it a weightlifting session, but it's based around strength and just getting them back physically active and working as a group again, really. So originally, with the funding from Sport Wales, we set up a ladies' weightlifting session, completely out of the ordinary, that you're not used to seeing 60 plus ladies in a facility like this. The session and the group grew hugely and became massively popular and successful, and we've seen some great results from that. It was only natural then that we moved forward and tried to establish a men's session. Knowing some local contacts and some local groups, I was able to speak to a retired rugby players group and asked them to come down for a taster session, which was October last year, and now the session has grown, and yeah, we've got 15 or 16 guys come in regularly, and yeah, focusing on their strength and weightlifting.
Over the last 10 years I haven't done much. Basically I've just been getting old and lethargic. I heard about this club via a good friend of mine and I came along. Megan is absolutely brilliant in giving us exercises to do. She knows exactly how to push us.
Encouraging the strength training wasn't so much the problem, it was encouraging men to come back out of their comfort zone, particularly those that, you know, they've been retired a number of years from work or from the gym, physical activity, sport, those kind of things. So it was more a case of trying to get the right group of people to come in as a bit of a pilot that we could then develop the session from there.
We'd have an old retired rugby players meeting every month, and Ben came along and gave us a talk on fitness, and then he invited us down to these sessions, which has been run by Torfaen Borough. There's about 10 of us that come down here. We all find it really beneficial for everything in the house, you know, cutting the grass, getting up off the floor, doing different things. It really has been a benefit.
There's no problem entering into it because most of the boys here was good. Lifting the weights, it does give you extra stamina and confidence because getting through life, you know, with different things, it does help you.
And they've all kind of integrated really well. You can see they work together, they support each other, which has been great to see. But also it's the little things, the little movements. I know one of the tests we like to do with the ladies group and the men's group is just get them to sit on the floor and get back up. And the difference you see from the work that they're doing with Meg is incredible.
I am asthmatic, so I find it was difficult to get into it to start off, and yeah, it built up. It done me world of good. Not only this, I'm more active outside, and yeah, I think I'm better for it.
This programme has been made possible thanks to the Welsh Government and Sport Wales funding for the 60 plus active leisure scheme. The long term, what we would like to do is pass on ownership of the session to them as a group. That then allows us to use the funding that we can move on to another group, bring another targeted group into here. It could be another session somewhere else in the community. The impact that funding has had, not just here, but all around Torfaen with various community groups we've got going on, has been it's been life-changing, and I don't mind saying life-saving for some people within the community.